Basura kada galaw natin. Basura everywhere. And this has led to so much problems for our people and our nation. Sakit na dulot ng basura. Sakuna dahil sa baha, dahil sa para na dulot ng basura. Nakakasira sa itsura at lagay ng ating kapaligiran at unti-unting pagwasak sa ating minamahal na kalikasan. Hindi po ito simpleng problema. There are layers of factors that's contributing to our waste disposal problems. One, how to reduce the production or introduction of waste in our environment. We will tackle 3 sets of bills on this. Number 1, the National Computer Recycling Act of 2026, the Solid Waste Importation Ban and Total Ban of Waste Importation Act, and the bills on single-use plastics. 2, we will take up our waste management problem. What do we do to waste that has been produced already? We have a bill amending RA 9003, the Ecological Waste Management Act of 2000. And we have a resolution on the systematic failures of the National Solid Waste Management Framework. 3, we will also take up where our trash goes, and that is our landfills. There are several resolutions filed on this. The collapse of the Rizal Provincial Sanitary Landfill, the adequacy of existing laws in addressing volume of waste in light of the collapse of the Binaliu landfill, collapse of the Binaliu Sanitary Landfill in Cebu City, and there are also bills filed but not yet referred on the dam site in Subic that has taken over some land of our indigenous peoples. These 3 topics will take us from the beginning to the end of our garbage disposal systems. I know there are more layers to this, but I hope we can already provide some form of resolution to these problems that are practically would make a great impact. Before I end my opening statements, marami kasi mga nagtatanong, pag-uusapan niyo na ba yung National Land Use Act? I said, of course, pero hindi pa ito na-refer sa plenary, so yung resolution ko has to be referred sa plenary before the yun pag-uusapan. And I promise you,